Patio Construct. So today we're going to go over how to light up your solid non-insulated patio cover with one of our LED puck lights. Our lights are real nice, they're dimmable. With them, you will get one light and they'll have the appropriate wiring, okay? This will be the bracketing system, the wire nuts, the machine head screws, okay? You'll have 2 of those. And then you'll need some sheet metal screws, a pencil, and a screwdriver and a drill bit, okay? So real fast, we're going to show you how easy it is to install these. So if you follow me over to your non-insulated pan that you're putting the light in, okay? You're going to want to use this bracket as a template. You're going to place it right over the top right there. Then you're going to notice across from each other, those are going to be the sheet metal screws. So I'm just going to mark that out real fast on both sides. And then the 2 inside ones, those are going to be the machine screws, what they'll have to go through, and we'll go over that in a minute. You'll also need a hole in the middle of this. So some installers, handyman, they like to just kind of trace this out knowing where they are, okay? So after we have those screws in place, we will grab our drill, okay, to bore out not the outside holes, but the inside holes. Again, that's going to be for the machine head screws. You'll see in a moment, okay? So I'm going to drill that out based on the template. Kind of bore it out. And then I'm doing the same thing on the other side. You'll see why. And then I'm going to drill a bigger hole that you'll want to use to push those wires through. A lot of people out there will put like a rubber grommet because you don't want it rubbing up against the wires, but that's completely up to you. So I'm going to change out my drill bit to a nut driver because those are the screws I'm using for the sheet metal screw. Then I'm going to use my bracket again. We'll put that back down. Everything's lining up good. Yep. All right. So I'm going to shoot that sheet metal screw on the outside. And I'm going to shoot this one. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and walk over and grab my machine head screw. Okay. These machine head screws, what they're meant for is to hang the lights. You'll see in a moment, okay? So I'll get those kind of about 3/4 of the way down in place, okay? On the top side of this, you'd probably have your wires that you're going to run it to. But I got this nice and in place. And then I'm going to take my light, okay? And on the light, our particular light, we twist it and it comes off, okay? It reveals the inner workings. So we'll use those nuts to wire everything up. We'll push those through. We'll line these up in sequence and we'll turn it, okay? So now this is when we're going to use our screwdriver to tighten it up, okay? Really simple, really simple. That didn't take too long, okay? So we're gonna take this, put this back on. It's a twisting motion. Oops, I didn't get that plugged in. Get that on there. You just want it to pinch just a hair, okay? So then we're gonna get this guy on, turn it, and then at this point, when I was building, I like to do this up in midair, not down on the ground. It's pretty easy, right? So if we take it over to the solid cover, okay, we have our wires running, have everything locked in place, and then just basically install patio cover at that point. And then at the top side, you will have a flashing cap that will keep it waterproof once you have another pan built out, okay? So I hope this helps you out. Have fun building out there. Some people decide to use like a box, a junction box at every light. That's up to you. Please check with your building and safety codes. Thank you for visiting Patio Kits Direct and have a good day. on.